If you're a college student looking to make some extra cash, you're in the right place. Today, I'll share 10 realistic money making ideas that fit right into your busy schedule. Let's dive in. First up, selling notes on Study Pool. If you take great notes, why not turn them into cash? You can upload your class notes and earn money when other students buy them. It's a simple way to monetize your study efforts. Next is starting your own YouTube channel. If you have a passion or hobby, share it. With some creativity and consistent uploads, you can earn through ads, sponsorships, and even merchandise. Just remember, it takes time to grow your audience. Third, consider freelancing on Fiverr. Whether you're good at writing, graphic design, or video editing, Fiverr is a great platform to showcase your skills. You set your prices and can work on projects that fit your schedule. Coming in at number 4, think about creating an Instagram page. Focus on a niche you love, like fashion or travel. With a good following, you can collaborate with brands and earn money through sponsored posts. Just be authentic. Fifth on our list is teaching online. Platforms like Udemy or Teachable allow you to create courses on subjects you're knowledgeable about. It's a great way to share your expertise while earning passive income. Next, consider social media management. Many small businesses need help managing their online presence. If you're savvy with social media, this could be a perfect gig for you. You can manage posts and interact with followers all on your schedule. Seventh is doubt solving on platforms like Chegg or Course Hero. If you excel in a particular subject, you can help students by answering their questions and getting paid for it. It's a win win situation. Eighth is affiliate marketing. Share products you love on your social media or blog and earn a commission for every sale made through your links. This works best if you genuinely enjoy the products, as authenticity helps build trust. Ninth, participate in technical fests. Many tech companies sponsor contests or hackathons offering cash prizes. It's a great way to earn while also enhancing your skills and networking with professionals. Finally, offer CV writing services. If you're good at crafting resumes, many students and professionals would appreciate your help. Create a simple website or promote your services on social media to attract clients. There you have it, 10 realistic ways to make money as a college student. Which idea excites you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.